Autonomous mobile robots, or AMRs, are increasingly being used to efficiently move goods and materials for sorting, order fulfillment, and many other use cases. These robots require sensors to provide 3D vision and accurately view the surrounding area to safely and efficiently navigate in challenging environments. Omron's B5L 3D time-of-flight sensor module offers real-time 3D vision even in the most difficult conditions. Whether operating in open or closed environments, the sensor's HDR function combines multiple exposures simultaneously to ensure accurate measurement of near and far objects, regardless of color, reflectivity, ambient light, or other conditions. The module provides wide-angle view detection and high-reliability sensing for use in any AMR applications, using extensive distance information to identify its peripheral environment. The B5L also offers built-in edge noise reduction that minimizes noise and false detections. The B5L time-of-flight sensor offers high precision in all environments with optimized optical design to provide ambient light immunity for accurate measurements even in direct sunlight. The sensor ensures high vibration and impact resistance, and it has a thermally enhanced design for long life while in continuous operation. Omron offers an SDK evaluation application available for customers to evaluate the time-of-flight sensor, as well as a sample ROS2 code as an alternative evaluation software, allowing for quicker and easier integration.